Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Angel. I'm John.
And I'm Maria. We are very happy to have you here today.
If you are listening to this podcast, you are in the right place.
Yes, especially if you are a beginner, or if you feel shy speaking English.
Today's topic is very simple, but very important.
We're going to talk about easy English greetings and introductions.
Maria, let's start with the most basic word in English.
That word is hello.
Hello is perfect. You can say hello to anyone.
Yes, to friends, to teachers, to new people.
Another easy greeting is hi.
Hi is friendly and casual,
You can use it with people your age.
or with people you know well.
In the morning, we say
Good morning.
in the afternoon,
Good afternoon.
and in the evening.
Good evening.
Many learners ask this question.
Yes. What about good night?
Good night is usually not a greeting.
We say good night when we leave or before sleeping.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
Hello,
Hi.
good morning,
Good afternoon.
good evening.
Great job, everyone. You are doing very well so far.
Yes, really. If you can say hello, you can already start a conversation in English.
Now, let's move to the next step. After greeting someone, we usually ask a simple question.
This question is very common. You hear it everywhere.
At work, at school, in shops, or when meeting new people.
That question is, how are you?
Many beginners think this is a very serious question.
But most of the time, it is just a friendly greeting.
People usually don't expect a long answer.
So short and simple answers are perfect.
Let's start with the most common answer.
I'm fine, thank you.
This answer is polite and always correct.
You can use it with anyone.
Another very common answer is,
I'm good, thank you.
this sounds a little more relaxed and friendly.
You can also say,
I'm okay.
I'm okay means you are fine, not great, not bad.
It is very nice to add thank you.
It sounds polite and natural.
For example, I'm fine, thank you.
Or, I'm good, thank you.
After you answer, it is polite to ask back.
This keeps the conversation going.
You can say, how about you?
Or simply, and you?
Both are short, both are natural.
Now let's practice together.
Listen first, then repeat.
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
If this feels easy, that's great.
If it feels difficult, that's okay too.
Learning English takes time.
Small steps are the best steps.
Now let's talk about introducing yourself.
This is very useful in real life, at work, at school, or when traveling. The easiest way to introduce yourself is,
My name is John.
this sentence is clear and polite.
You can also say,
I'm Maria.
this sounds friendly and natural.
Both sentences mean the same.
Now, let's ask someone's name.
The most common question is,
What's your name?
this is friendly and very normal.
If you want to be more polite, you can say,
May I ask your name?
this is good for formal situations.
After you hear someone's name, you usually say,
Nice to meet you.
this is very important in English culture.
The other person usually answers.
Nice to meet you too.
Another very common question is,
Where are you from?
this question is friendly and normal.
You can answer like this.
I'm from UK.
You can change the country easily.
I'm from France. I'm from Italy. I'm from Brazil.
Now let's listen to a longer conversation.
Imagine two people meeting for the first time. Hello,
Hi there. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. By the way, my name is Maria.
Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too, John. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
That's great. It's very nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. You're doing great. Be proud of yourself.
Now, we have a small request for you.
Please go to the comments and tell us, where are you from? And what is your name? Yes, write a simple comment. Even one sentence is perfect.
For example, my name is John. I'm from Turkey.
We read your comments and we love them.
Thank you for listening to Learn English with Angel.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye bye.